Why do we dream? The science behind our nightly illusions. Have you ever woken up from a dream so strange that you couldn't decide whether to laugh or question reality? One night, you're flying over the ocean. The next, you're being chased by a talking cat. And sometimes you dream of something so vivid that it feels like a message from another world. Dreams have fascinated humanity for thousands of years. From the ancient Egyptians who believed they were divine prophecies, to modern psychologists trying to decode the whispers of our subconscious. But what are dreams, really? Why do some of us remember them so clearly, while others close their eyes at night and wake up in total blankness? Today, we're diving into the science, the mystery, and the evolution of dreams. In the past, dreams were seen as sacred. Kings, priests, and prophets believed they carried messages from gods or ancestors. A woman dreaming of a golden frog or a monk in white robes might be told her child would become a great leader. Dreams were omens, signs, and warnings, guiding both empires and individuals. But centuries later, one man dared to drag dreams out of heaven and into the realm of science. Sigmund Freud. Freud believed dreams were the royal road to the unconscious, a place where suppressed desires, fears, and instincts play out freely. He argued that dreams transform forbidden wishes into symbolic imagery. A cane or an umbrella might represent masculine power, while climbing stairs could symbolize intimate acts. Of course, modern researchers find much of Freud's interpretation outdated, but his biggest contribution remains: the idea that dreams reflect the hidden workings of the mind. Fast forward to the 20th century. Science begins to peer inside the sleeping brain. Researchers discovered something remarkable: a stage called REM sleep, short for rapid eye movement. During REM, our eyes dart beneath closed lids. Our heart rate rises, and our brain becomes almost as active as when we're awake. This phase occurs every 90 minutes throughout the night, 4 to 6 times in total, and about 80% of dreams happen here. In REM sleep, logic takes a nap while memory wakes up. The brain areas responsible for rational thinking quiet down, while emotional and memory-related regions, like the amygdala and hippocampus, light up. That's why dreams feel so real, yet make so little sense. It's a surreal collage of emotions and fragments of experience. Last night's dinner, your childhood pet, and a random TV commercial, all spliced together into one strange narrative. So why do we dream at all? There are two leading theories, one beautifully chaotic, the other deeply purposeful. The first dreams are random noise, a biological accident. According to molecular biologist Francis Crick, yes, the same Crick who co-discovered DNA, dreams are the brain's garbage disposal. They help the mind clean up unnecessary memories and emotional clutter. Think of them as your brain's nightly recycle bin. The second theory, dreams are a kind of virtual reality simulator, a mental playground where we rehearse possible futures, confronting fears, solving problems, and preparing for real-life threats. This idea, known as the threat simulation theory, suggests dreams evolved as an ancient survival tool. By simulating danger in a safe environment, our ancestors could better react to it in real life. Ever notice how sometimes, after sleeping on a problem, You wake up with the answer? That's your brain quietly solving equations while you're chasing dragons. Interestingly, everyone dreams every single night. Even people who swear they never dream simply don't remember. Frequent dream recall often means you wake up during or right after REM sleep. So, if you remember too many dreams, it might mean your sleep quality isn't perfect. But if you sleep deeply, cycle through REM fully, and still dream, that's a sign of a healthy, active mind. Dreams are also shaped by our times. In the early 20th century, when people mostly watched black and white films, studies showed that many reported black and white dreams too. Today, our dreams are in high definition, in color, sometimes even in cinematic 4K. And we're not alone. Dogs, cats, and even some birds show REM patterns. Their paws twitching, eyes flickering, perhaps chasing memories in their own tiny dream worlds. Dreams remain one of the last frontiers of the human mind, a fusion of science, psychology, and poetry. Whether they are meaningless byproducts or emotional rehearsals for survival, they remind us of something profoundly human, that our minds never truly rest. When our eyes close and the world fades away, a new one begins built from memory, emotion, and imagination. Dreams are not escapes from reality. They are the mirror of it.